Hi, I'm Robin Fowler. I'm a lecturer in the College of Engineering and Technical Communication, and I'm also an assistant research scientist in engineering education research. And I'm here to pitch a project with a tool called Tandem. Okay, so Tandem is a web-based team support tool that we are developing with the Center for Academic Innovation, and it collects information from students at the beginning and end of the term on their identification with the discipline, on their work styles, on their motivation, on their goal orientation. It has algorithms built in and it can form teams now. It has tailored teamwork lessons, so it uses the Michigan tailoring system to change out paragraphs. So for example, if one student is doing much more work than others, or one student is doing less work than others, they can see different paragraphs within a lesson. It has peer and self-assessment on teamwork related phenomena, as well as tailored feedback, so students can see here's how you rated yourself, here's how others rated you. And then it has weekly team health checks. And as you can see, we're sitting on a lot of data. This tool is designed to help students' experiences with teamwork as it happens in classes, as well as to improve their teamwork abilities so that they can learn more about themselves and develop new strategies that they can take into teamwork experiences beyond U of M. And it's designed to do all of this through an equity lens. So it thinks about, or not thinks about, but it is sensitive to the ways that teamwork can be inequitable. And it is intended to highlight some of those patterns to both the faculty supporting the teams, as well as to the students on the teams, and to give them strategies to push back. As you can see, we're sitting on a lot of data, and we would be really excited to partner with someone who can handle this in more sophisticated ways than we have been so far. So I can do my ANOVAs and t-tests, but I would love to work with someone who can help us take this a little bit further. Ideally, someone who would be motivated to think about improving student teamwork through diversity, equity, inclusion, and justice lenses, through DHEA or DEI or whatever acronym you prefer, but just thinking about what does equity look like in student teamwork and how do we push our world to be a little bit more the one that we want to be in. And ideally someone who is wanting to use mixed methods to do so. So we have what I consider a really big data set. I'm sure most of the people in this room will not, but we have about 4,000 people, I think, using Tandem this semester, and the idea is that ideally it would continue to grow. And so the data set is fairly large, and we'd be excited to work with you on research questions that you come up with, as well as things that we're interested in. I'm personally really excited at the idea of using machine learning to tweak our team formation algorithms, or to create new team formation algorithms, and to better predict team outcomes. So we have a lot of information about students as they approach the team experience in the first place. Can we start to predict what sorts of student groupings might result in what kinds of results? And then also, can we use natural language processing? So we have student reflections throughout those tailored lessons. We'd like to better understand the nature of student responses, what does an engaged response look like, as well as to be able to extract information from those student responses. Yeah, so I would be really excited to work with someone or to answer any questions right now.